आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, so the question is from a point -1, 2 tangent lines are to the parabola y square is equal to 4x. If the area of the triangle formed by the chord of contact and the tangent is a, then the value of a by root 2 is. Now given equation of parabola is y square is equal to 4x. Let it be equation number 1. Now we are given point which is having coordinates -1, 2. So I am considering that point be O. So let point O be -1, 2. So we know that equation for the chord of contact with respect to any particular point x1 y1 is given by y1 is equal to 2a into x plus x1. So I am writing down the equation for chord of contact with respect to this point O. So with respect to point O will be, I'll be using this -1, 2 in this equation. So what we get 2y is equal to 2a into x minus 1. Solving it further, I get 2y is equal to 2ax minus 2a. Now dividing whole of the equation by 2, I get y is equal to ax minus a. Now we have the value of a here. Comparing this with y square is equal to 4ax, we get a is equal to 1. Using this a is equal to 1 here, I get y is equal to x minus 1. Let it be equation number 2. Now solving equation 1 and 2, what we'll be getting the point of intersection. So solving equation 1 and 2, we get point of intersection. So using this y is equal to x minus 1, in this y square is equal to 4x, I get x minus 1 whole square is equal to 4x. Solving it further, it would be x square plus 1 minus 2x is equal to 4x. Solving it further, I get x square plus 1 minus 6 x is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation in x. Solving it by quadratic formula, what I am getting x is equal to, it would be 6 plus minus under the root of square of 6, that is 36 minus 4 upon 2. So which is equal to 6 plus minus under root of 32 by 2. I can write it 6 plus minus 4 root 2 by 2, dividing whole of the equation by 2. So I get the value of x is 6 plus, it would be 3 plus minus 2 root 2. It implies one of the x is 3 plus 2 root 2. The second would be 3 minus 2 root 2. Since it's a parabola, so there is 2 point of intersection. So we get one of the x is this and other is this. So solving it in y is equal to x minus 1, we get y is equal to 2 plus 2 root 2 and 2 minus 2 root 2. If one of the point of intersection is P and the other is Q, so what is P? P will be equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 comma 2 plus 2 root 2, and let the other be Q. So Q would be equal to 3 minus 2 root 2 minus comma 2 minus 2 root. Let's calculate the distance PQ. So PQ would be equal to, let's find out PQ square. So that would be equal to this x coordinate minus this. So we get 4 root 2 square plus 4 root 2 square. Solving it, we get 32 plus 32, which comes out to be 64. If this is 64, it implies PQ is equal to 8 units. Now we have to find the length of perpendicular from point O to PQ. So length of perpendicular from point O to PQ. So what is the point O comma Q? That is -1 comma 2. Substituting it in PQ, that is y is equal to x minus 1, we get using the distance formula. It would be 2 plus 1 plus 2 upon under root 2, which comes out to be 4 upon root 2. Therefore, area of triangle would be equal to half into base. Base is PQ, that is 8, and height is 4 upon root 2. So it comes out to be, its 2 2s are 4, so 4 4s are 16, that is 16 upon root 2, which means 8 root 2. Now we are asked that if this is equal to a, then we have to find the value of a upon root 2. So that would be 8 root 2 upon root 2. It comes out to be 8 units. Therefore, the required answer is 8 units. So here, the value of a by root 2 would be 8 units. I hope it is clear. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।